Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. A sari, I guess, is one of the most versatile pieces of the Indian ethnic wear wardrobe section, which could be draped around your body in multiple distinct ways, and it is capable of accentuating your figure in the most amazing ways possible. Today I'm going to share with you all this gorgeous looking sari drape known as the Mermaid style drape, and I've tried to eliminate the difficulties that are posed in the comment section of other videos. I've just tried to come up with my personal tips and tricks just to make sure that it is more friendly for all the body types, and it's capable of being, kept on the head, as well as the pleats are available so you can walk around. If you people like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe. Let's just get started and see how I got this sari drape. So first things first, you want to go ahead and tuck an entire round of a circle of the sari, the non-pallu end of the sari, into your petticoat, just to make sure that you have that drape all around you. Then you have to go ahead and find the fancy end of the sari and you have to start pleating it. Now make sure that the pleats of this sari are going to be really long, so you have to work a little bit more than you would normally do, like you can see me doing here. First I'll try to get a grip on all the pleats over here, as you people can see me trying to get a grip at the moment, and then leaving the rest of the sari at the back. If you feel like you need, then you can go ahead and add a pin at the end of the pleats as well. I'm going to once again grab all the pleats in my hands before I'm going to turn it around in an anti-clockwise direction, and I'm going to place it onto my right hand shoulder. Now while making this pallu, you have to make sure that the pallu has to be like really long in the front section, and here people can see the pallu is like really quite long in the front section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all the plates once again, and I'm just going to reduce the length. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the pallu is touching your toe, and then go ahead and secure the sari or the pallu with the blouse with the help of a safety pin, as you people can see me doing right over here. Now what you want to do is you want to take the inner end of the pallu, and I'm turning around to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just taking the pallu and I'm bringing it from inside of the back pallu, not outside, because from outside it's wrong. You have to bring it from inside of the back pallu, and then you have to lift the pallu to make sure that the pleat is over here. Then you have to pleat it, a small pleat. You have to make a really small pleat and have to take a safety pin and secure it along with the bottom of your sari, that is the skirt portion that you have created earlier. You have to pin it inside and just go ahead and tuck it, the narrow end, inside. Now what you're going to do is you're going to see that you have a huge loop of sari hanging around, as I've shown you right over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and pleat it. This section will make sure that you are capable of walking perfectly and really properly. You don't want to make more than 3 pleats, at least 3 pleats, a minimum of 3 pleats, but not more than that, because you want the pallu section to be lengthy enough for you to go ahead and place it on your head. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just insert the sari in, lifting up the earlier pallu that you have pinned, and then drop the pallu over the pleats and just arrange the sari. When you're alone, you can do it on your own, and that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed. Bye.